If you own a property in Spain or you're thinking about it, there's one question that for sure it's uncomfortable, but you cannot ignore. What will happen with the property when someone actually dies? In the next few minutes, I will talk about why it's very important to have a Spanish will if you have a property in Spain, what happens when you have the Spanish will, and especially why you should do it with us. My name is Daniel Bertomeu, and I work alongside my father, Juan Bertomeu, a lawyer in Spain with more than 30 years of experience. Our offices are located in Moraira and Dénia, and we specialize in everything regarding non-residents and foreigners who own property in Spain. The first important thing that you must know is that a Spanish will only affect your assets in Spain. But the first question I would have if I were in a potential situation like yours would be, why is so important to have a Spanish will? Because the truth is that if you have a property in Spain and you die without a Spanish will, your heirs will still can inherit, but the process is usually slower, more expensive, and much more confusing. By signing a Spanish will that is aligned with your home country will, and by planning the inheritance in advance, you can choose which law will apply to your state in Spain, make the procedure for your heirs clearer and faster, avoid unnecessary penalties or surcharges, and in many cases, reduce avoidable inheritance tax and costs. In the area where we have our offices, as I said, in Moraira and Dénia, all these areas, so Benissa, Calpe, Jávea, all the Marina Alta. But well, if you have the property in Andalusia or in Mallorca, it's very easy that your property is worth more than half a million or even a million or 2 million euros. So this deserves a proper plan and a proper will. Let me give you a real example that shows why this matters. A few months ago, my father helped a German widow. Her husband passed away. They owned a property in Spain, other assets in Germany, and there was no clear Spanish will and no proper plan. Because of that, their family had to deal with two different legal systems at once, provide certified translations and legalizations, face strict deadlines for Spanish inheritance tax, and wait before the property could be fully transferred and sold. My father solved the case, and I say this and I'm very proud of him because he traveled all the way from Spain to Germany to visit this woman because she was extremely confused and well, I don't blame her for not doing a Spanish will. They were a couple over 80 years old, but the conclusion of this is that it would have been much easier if there was a clear Spanish will. And with the information we can have nowadays, and considering how easy, fast, and secure the process of making a will in Spain is, I think you should do it right now. And next question is why you should do it with us. Well, our firm specializes exclusively on non-residents and international clients in Spain. And why is this important? Because as I said, we are located in the province of Alicante, but some of our clients are located in Mallorca, Ibiza, in Murcia. These are different regions of Spain, and the different tax or inheritance tax rules, nuances, and allowances might be different, which is not a big problem for the Spanish will itself, but when it's moment to do the inheritance, it's very important to have someone that knows the difference with this. And as I said, my father has been doing this for 30 years. Another reason why I think you should do it with us is because you can start right now. You just have to press the Start Online Now button, and we will start gathering the information and different documents that we need from you. In case you don't have everything in hand, don't worry, you can come later and just fill it. But also very important, if you want to do it remotely, this is without seeing each other in person, you can do it. The only thing is that, well, you have two different options. The first one of them is granting a power of attorney to us through the Spanish embassy consulate of your country. You basically give them a power of attorney plus other documents that they will ask for that we will prepare, and that is a valid power of attorney. The second option is arranging an appointment with a notary, for example, in the UK or Germany. He will prepare an attorney for us that is going to be valid, but this document needs to be certified, translated, whereas the document that you would give to the Spanish consulate or embassy in your home country is already valid. Well, I hope this video was useful. You can contact us if you're not sure and you want to say, okay, but I would rather talk to you. Don't worry, you can contact us. You're seeing also the information. And well, I hope you enjoy the video. I invite you to watch some of my other videos or just keep navigating through the website. Thank you.